So today we're in Gran Canaria, we're in Las Palmas, and look at that sky. I mean, it doesn't look that good, but I mean the weather's okay. It says it's 24 centigrade, so don't know if that sounds correct, but if you've been here before you'll probably recognise some of the buildings, and this is the beach. I mean, there's a few people on it, a few people swimming, and these are the apartments and the shops, the beauty centre, restaurant, and so on. So people seem to parade up and down here on the prom. Well, we'll call it a prom. Means to get a bit of exercise. At the end of this prom, you've got a shopping mall, which is probably a mile and a half, 2 miles away. So maybe when I get there, I'll do a video. So there's the beach. People sitting on the sun chairs. So in distance you got some hills. Let's look back. So the thing about Gran Canaria, you've got lots of Africans here. 200,000 they've came over the last 20 years. I mean, they do tend to do like menial jobs, so sunglasses, whatever, but good enough people. I mean, there's good and bad in everyone. Isn't there a song? Ebony and Ivory live together in perfect harmony. So it's December the 6th, 2023. So you get a lot of people come from northern countries like Germany, UK, Austria, Holland. They come here for the weather. And they tend to walk up and down the prom here, like myself. I'm going to Primark, which is a shopping mall known in Ireland as Pennies. One of the nicest countries I've been to recently is Estonia, Tallinn. Well worth a visit. And Romania was quite nice as well. I mean, if you don't like the city, you can go into the Transylvania. Beautiful scenery. Also, I've been to Seville. Now, Seville's quite a nice place to visit as well. It's really laid back. For a city, everything seems to be laid back and you feel totally safe. Where some countries you go to, like Morocco, and unfortunately everybody's trying to rob you. This is the fact. I'd like someone to dispute it. Wherever you go into the shop, they want more than it's worth, you know, and you have to barter. I mean, that may be the culture, I don't know. And here's nice place to come for the Christmas. And I suppose if you wanted a bit more lively area, you wouldn't come where I am in the centre. You can go to other places, you know. So it's getting quite crowded here, isn't it? Can hear lots of English voices. Oh, they're playing a bit of football, right? Hey. Well, handball, I think. I don't know. So everywhere seems to have pizza these days. To me, it's just some sort of filling on bread. It's not very healthy, and you know, can make you quite fat. Keep eating it. Okay for a snack if you have a beer. So I've noticed one thing, there doesn't seem to be many people riding bikes along here. Maybe it's outlawed. There's too many people supposed to be riding bikes. Further down here you've got the surfers, you know. So they're more like bricks, those, aren't they? The sidewalk, I would class them as bricks shape, you know. Obviously this thing wasn't there 20 years ago, it would have looked probably different. Maybe it was. They've got a couple of stalls there. She's like, does the spray painting. Elvis, Bob Marley, Whitney Houston, and so on. Here's some sort of cheap jewellery with some posters. I quite like that one of the fruit. Or is it flowers, one or the other? So there's lots of these bars where you can sit out and look at the beach. So you can buy your coffee there, your meal, and then you can sit here and there's the beach. Watch the people go by. So there's a spa. I think they're Irish, but I'm not sure. Spa, you know, it's like a chain of supermarkets. And let's zoom in there. Can we zoom in? Yeah, you've got a lifeguard there. There he is, the lifeguard. Let's stop him. So in the distance you've got some hills. Got the lifeguard. And people on the beach. Keep on moving. So there's some holiday apartments. People sitting outside, watching people stroll. I should imagine they're quite expensive to rent, especially around Christmas. Some people only go on holiday once a year, so they like to splash out. Some people like to go first class, they think it makes them special, but Obviously it does, because the VIP. Pay through the nose for the privilege. So you've got some more market stalls here. I think they're like selling African figures. No, she's selling like African figures, yeah. So you've got a Burger King they get everywhere, don't they? Obviously English. So we'll leave it there and say thanks for watching. Maybe we'll put a like and maybe we'll put a comment. Thank you.